The PT-CMZ50 projector is another revolutionary concept from Panasonic. It combines the ultra-short throw ratio from classroom or whiteboard projectors with the brightness of mid-size fixed installation products that can typically be found in meeting rooms and larger classrooms, but also in museums, showrooms or digital signage installations. The CMZ50 has a 5200 lumen brightness with a wide WUXGA resolution and a super short throw ratio of just 0.235 to 1. This enables the projector to do an 80-inch image size, with the product being installed with the back just 1 centimeter away from the wall. This eliminates the need for a ceiling mount or bulky extension arm, and at the same time it ensures presenters can walk up close to the projection without casting a shadow. While this technique is used since long in education and for electronic whiteboards, with the strong brightness and a robust laser light source, also professional applications like museums, showrooms or control rooms can benefit from this advantage. For meeting rooms and a new work environment, the CMZ50 features a special mode that allows to project a 21:9 widescreen format to get the best result out of the Microsoft Teams Room's new front row design that puts remote participants at eye level with everyone in the room and guarantees more inclusive meetings. The multi-projection function allows to blend two projectors easily via HDMI out to maximize brightness and resolution in such 21:9 widescreen applications. This makes the CMZ50 the best choice for Teams rooms or any other video conferencing rooms. Applications that require long running hours, such as control room or digital signage, do benefit from the 20,000 hours of lifetime from the solid shine laser light source and extensive brightness setting options that allow to optimize the lifetime of the projector.